I could, bitch, I bet I would. On the low, what's up with you, ho? Bitches smoking dro, bet you know, bust like 44.
Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace an Acura TL 2002 license plate light. So it's pretty simple. All you need is a Phillips head screwdriver. So right here, it's got two screws right there, which are already kind of loose. You can unscrew those and then we'll see. So basically just unscrew those. Once they're loose, you can just unscrew them with your hands. They're plastic screws. So just unscrew those and this thing comes out. Now this thing you can just twist and pop right out. As you can see, it has this bulb, and I want to replace it with an LED because, you know, this looks like yellow golden color and I want it to be bright white. So that comes out. You basically just push it out, pull it out, and then there's this LED. You can get a pack of like 10 of these on eBay for like $5. Just pop it in, and if it doesn't work, try the other side. And so I'm just gonna pop it in and turn on the light and see if it's working. And as you can see, it's working, and that's pretty much it. And I'll also, so now when you're putting it back, put it back in like that, just click it in. Hold on, let me turn off the lights. And then all you do is basically just put it back in, align the holes, and put the screws back in. So I'm just gonna put the screws back in, and there's one screw. And there goes the other one. I'm just gonna tighten up with the screwdriver. And so that's about it, guys. It's as easy as that. And right now you can't really see it, but I'll show you a nighttime review later.